Hello everybody, so today we're going to see if we can, I've got kind of like an experiment for the video. We're going to see if we can fix the rod knock in the Miata with some engine restore. That's like the fix the engine in a bottle kind of thing. I can tell you now, it's probably not going to work, but I just figured I'd give it a shot because, you know, I'm going to have to rebuild the engine anyway, so I've already ordered the kit for the rebuild, so don't get too upset at me. We're just gonna see how this goes. See if it can make it a little bit better. I also have some, where is it? There's like some Lucas product that I have. Oh yeah, right up there. Pure synthetic oil stabilizer. I'm gonna be putting some of that in there too, because that's supposed to help with rod knock as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do those today, as well as change the oil. I'm still in the process of like cleaning up the car too, but I've cleaned the engine bay a little bit. It's a little bit nicer than it was. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the oil change. The oil filter, I'm pretty sure is down there. Yeah, it's right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's that yellow, bright yellow filter down there. If the camera's not gonna focus, it's you can definitely see it. I mean, that's what we're gonna be taking off and changing out with a brand new K&N filter. And I got some all synthetic oil. I mean, granted, it's from Walmart, but I'm gonna have to rebuild the engine anyway. So I mean, that's fine. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I mean, I honestly don't think it'll do. I don't think it'll fix it, but I can hope that it'll do it. Like, if it does fix it, then that's crazy, and you know, everyone should do it. But there's probably a reason why mechanics still change engines out. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Unrelated to today's video, but I think I found the exhaust leak. You can see right there inside of the pipe. You're not supposed to be able to do that. Okay, and I'm starting to see this right here, which is dried oil. That's probably where the rod knot came from. Well, we'll see. Have to change the oil. It's right here. Oh, this whole thing looks like it's wet. Oh god. Okay, yeah, this is definitely where it came from. Well, all right, it's a good thing we're changing it now, getting up that old oil, putting the new one in. It's the most satisfying part of, you know, getting a new car. So we'll go ahead and switch that out. I'm gonna set up a tripod somewhere so that you can see it and I don't have to do 3 things at once. Yeah, it's a really weird spot. There you go. You're close. You get it? Yeah. Oh. What's going on now? That. Oh, fuck you. Can you bring the car close, please? Yeah. Riley's like, I work at Subway. Damn right. Oh, dude, I can't fucking even move. Luckily, we can fit a 14 in there if we need to and tighten it that way, because it's got the bolt on top. Yeah. I mean, it's only supposed to be hand tight, so. It's just oiled up, so yeah, it's not turning. Yeah. Yeah, now it's at the part where it's like getting tighter. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. All right. Here, hold this. Subway. So, fuck, where's the funnel? There it is. So we're gonna be dumping in some oil here. Clean this out first real quick, just don't worry about it. Yeah, so we're gonna be dumping in the engine restore first. You know, we want it to mix up nice and good in there. This is gonna save the whole engine. We don't even need to do a rebuild. Oh, look at that. That's liquid metal right there. That's gonna fix the whole engine. Yeah. Did you get the shot? Mm-hmm. Okay, you can turn the camera off now. What are you doing? Can't stop. Oh, no. Yeah, introducing the Verizon call. Alright, so now we're gonna turn this baby on and let it purr. I just shit itself. Yo, it stopped. It was in gear, that's why it was having trouble. But after a little bit, come on. No.
That's not what we wanted to record, but
No.
okay. I think we're letting off the clutch too fast.
So as you might have heard in the last clip, Mia's dead. She blew up. So next we're gonna have to rebuild the engine. I didn't know that was gonna work. And don't shit on engine restore. Because it's not the product's fault. That engine was way too shit, way too broken. If your rod's knocking that much, you just need to rebuild it anyway. But this does work. It's helped on the FRS because I put it in there. You're only allowed to use it on VVT engines, not VVTi. So if you have VTEC or a Honda engine like that, you don't want to put that in there. BMWs with Vanos, don't put it in there either. But with this, there's no VTEC, variable valve timing, and even if it does, it's just VVT, like in the FRS, which I don't know why I pointed that way. You can't see it, but it's right over there. So yeah, it is a good product and it does have its uses. But this case, I was just kind of like, might as well throw it in there and see if it can do anything, and it didn't. So, also in that clip, don't mind how shit we are at driving manual. That was our first time, so we're learning. He is a good car to learn on, right, buddy? Don't worry, we'll rebuild you. It's all good. I did plan on rebuilding it anyway, so it's not like it mattered. But rip. Anyway, that concludes this episode of the Miata build series. We're starting the build series technically next because we're doing building. This was just kind of fucking around and testing out a bit. It will be here. The rebuild kit is a little expensive, so I did just buy it, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and do like other things, like get this dent out and make videos on like dent repair and get the headlights clear again, or get new headlights because they are really cheap, or we could just go to a junkyard and might do that. This too needs to be fixed, and there's no fucking mirror on that side, but you know, it's okay. It's starting. This is the start of a something special, I think. And you know, if you guys want to stay up to date, I do plan on doing a eBay turbo on it and seeing what I can do with it with just my friends. But if you guys want to stay tuned and watch this series, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment, dislike it, whatever you want to do. Just let me know what was bad. I mean, I know my manual shifting was garbage. I don't even know if I've included that, but